Let's have a look at the crunch Cobra. So we're working the crunch on the Swiss ball. The basic version, you're rolling the spine up, the butt's a little bit lower, eyes down, chin in, one vertebra at a time. Keep that tongue on the roof of the mouth, jaw closed, mouth closed. When you're going further back, of course, there's going to be more load going into the neck and into the spine. So you're challenging it more. If you need to, you can support the head with the fingertips. So you're trying to get that nice rolling up. So you're peeling your spine off the ball, taping it back down. And then with the cross one, reaching up and over to the opposite knee, coming back down nice and smooth. So you don't have to go too hard with these. You're really trying to make sure that the whole chain is nice and healthy. So all the way from the base of the skull right down to the pelvis, that every segment along the spine is really getting a nice movement, and you're not moving as a block, that you're moving segmentally. So here doing the reverse, so the eyes at last come down when you tape your spine to the ball, then you're peeling your spine off the ball, externally rotating the arms as well is nice. So here doing it with elbow out and getting the rotation. So extension, rotation. It's really important to use the eyes to facilitate the rotation as well as the extension. Where the eyes look, all the muscles activate. So you can see I'm looking there and then trailing it down. Having both elbows out makes it a bit heavier. So really trying to strengthen each segment in the spine so that way it's nice and healthy. So you can do these versions without a ball. Just doing them on the floor is nice. Obviously with the ball you're getting the full extension when you go back, but here you're just lengthening into neutral, which is quite nice. And this one you don't need a Swiss ball, you've got no excuses. Anywhere you are you can do it. So there, going into that crossover pattern, eyes down, chin in, exhaling as you come up and over, get a bit of a pause. So really trying to get that nice full range of motion. Here you can get the cross pattern a little bit more with that bicycle style movement, opposite knee to elbow. So it's really firing up that whole anterior oblique sling, which is cool. So then for the Cobra, you can do it without equipment here, just having one hand down, getting that nice extension rotation, getting a spot from that second arm, and then you can make it harder again. So here reaching further, so getting more range of motion, straightening that arm out. So really getting that flexion rotation into extension rotation. Really helping that spine stay nice and healthy, healing it. Here's a kneeling version that's nice. This is quite challenging. Looks easy, but it's quite hard. So balancing on the knees and getting that extension rotation. Really using those eyes to facilitate the movement. So going minute on those, I usually use 6 reps in a minute. So that way it's nice and smooth, not too fast, so you really get that nice tonic activation. Here's just doing a couple of just the straight ones, quite heavy. Really getting that nice flexion. And then doing the double elbow out ones, which are a bit heavier. So work on those this month, getting that 6 minutes worth, minute each side, 3 sets. Film it. If you're getting any problems anywhere, just let us know and try and find a way to resolve any instabilities or any tension that's there, but usually it's just a matter of getting on that ball, getting on a roller, ironing it out, and just not going too hard so that you give the weaker areas or the tighter areas a chance to catch up so you get a more even movement. But it's really important to film it so that way you can see where the discrepancies are and you can keep improving.